Hi all, in this webinar we are going to learn about zero volatility spread or a Z spread. So what is Z spread? Zero volatility spread or Z spread is a constant spread that makes the price of a security equal to present value of its cash flows when added to the yield at each point on the spot rate treasury curve where cash flow is received. So in other words, we can say each cash flow is discounted at an appropriate treasury spot rate plus Z spread. Just reading of its definition, it sounds slightly technical. However, we'll understand it with a small example. Let's assume a bond here. The face value of the bond is 1000. The coupon payment is 10% and the maturity of the bond is 5 years. Here I'm going to plot the cash flows of the bond over a period of time, and the cash flows will be face value multiplied by coupon payment. So face value multiplied by coupon payment. This cash flow is going to be from year 1 to year 4. In year 5, the investor will get coupon payment plus the face value of the bond. Now here I will assume treasury spot rates over a period of time. Let's assume 2%, 2.5, 3%, 3.5 and 4%. Now I can calculate the discounted value of the cash flows. So how I can calculate the cash flow divided by 1 plus treasury spot rate raised to the power period. I can drag this. I can calculate the total discounted value, which is nothing but the sum of the cash flows. Here the discounted value of the cash flow is 1276. But actually it is a very high value because in the market the bond is trading at 950. Now why this value is so high? It is high because we have discounted the cash flows at a treasury spot rates. So what is that one rate which I can add to the treasury spot rate so that the value of the discounted value of the bond can become equal to 950. So that rate is called Z spread. Let's assume Z spread of 0%, and I will again calculate the discounted value of cash flows. And how am I going to calculate? The cash flow divided by 1 plus treasury spot rate plus Z spread raised to the power period. I will drag this formula. Total value of discounted cash flow as I change the Z spread. When I'll keep it 1%, it will go down to 1125. Let's increase it further. When I'll make it 2%, it will go down further. When I'm making it 4%, even closer to the market value. Let's increase it further. Let's make it 7%, more closer. Make it 7.5%, very close number. If you want to know the exact rate, we can use the Golsek formula where we can change this cell to get the value of 950 by changing this cell. So 7.56 is the exact rate at which the discounted value will be equal to 950. Now, what is the application of this concept? Z spread is a measure of credit risk of bond. Higher the Z spread, more riskier is the bond. And in the fixed income analysis, usually we compare Z spread of similar industry bonds to see if there is any value to invest in that particular bond or no. Now, here in this graph, I have plotted hypothetical Z spread of auto sector bond of multiple companies such as Fiat, General Motor, Nissan, Hyundai, Toyota, Volkswagen, etc. just to show how Z spread is used in fixed income analysis.